Hey guys, Liam from Killer Inc here, and today I'm going to be showing you the FK Irons EXO. The EXO is a modular tattoo machine that follows on from the US manufacturer's Spektra Flux wireless rotary and offers unstoppable power, whether wired or wireless. So let's take a closer look. The FK Irons EXO is fitted with the same 9-watt brushless motor that features in the Flux. This machine is particularly suited to lining, colour packing and solid colour work, and requires less passes to saturate ink, therefore reducing trauma to the skin. This rotary includes an ergonomic 40mm grip, which makes it more comfortable to use during longer tattooing sessions. The grip is also forward weighted, giving the EXO a pen-like feel that helps to eliminate wrist pain and allows for maximum needle control. As mentioned before, the EXO can be used wired or wireless, depending on your preference. The RCA Bolt allows you to use your tattoo machine with a traditional power supply and RCA cable, and you can also pair it with the Dark Lab Hopper power supply to enable e-give. In addition, the RCA Bolt also features reverse polarity protection for motor safety. With a simple quarter turn, you can detach the RCA Bolt and replace it with a PowerBolt battery pack for up to 10 hours of wireless tattooing. Using a PowerBolt also allows you to connect to the Dark Lab app via Bluetooth for future updates. Since the modules are so easy to remove, if you purchase an RCA Bolt version of the EXO, you can easily convert it to a wireless machine later on by purchasing a Spektra Flux PowerBolt separately. If you would prefer a wireless machine straight away, we offer a bundle that includes the FK Irons EXO and RCA Bolt, as well as 2 PowerBolts, so you can use one while the other is charging. You also have the choice of 3 stroke lengths when ordering the EXO: 2.5, 3.2 or 4mm, with the best version for you simply coming down to preference and the way you tattoo. Made in the USA, the FK Irons EXO is available in 2 colours, Black Ops and Stealth, and is available to order from Killer Inc via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the FK Irons EXO? Will you be picking one up as your next wired or wireless machine? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.